2, 1.
Hey guys, welcome back to Purple's Wonderful World.
And welcome to Atara's Rivera, please.
Goodbye, guys.
And last time me and Purple just make a video about doing the thing from her birthday. Yeah, because you didn't show us because we were not doing a video.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we tried to do it.
And Purple went to Cebu for her birthday, right?
We're tug of war! We're playing tug of war.
What
Guess
time?
who am I fighting?
Get Alexa! Huh?
Not again.
It's Atara. I'm trying my best.
No! Tara, who are you fighting? To the viewers.
What are you fighting with?
Peppy.
Murphy!
I'm mafioso.
Mafioso, you kaka!
From mafioso. You almost burned my hand. You too. Almost stop burning my hand. Wait. You go there side. So if you do this and see the other videos you have, look, you see my hand. She's pushing my hand back. Oh my god. Chad, come down. Look at Crouch.
Get the thing!
Where's it? You wonder where did I get this? Get up. This, stay in your side. This is the thing you do this. Like, yum.
And I don't know why my dad buy me this, and it says it's like it's like this.
I burned it.
It said it's like this. But I don't even know. I would just tell my mom to help me with this because
What? I
She
know
said-
that when the time I buy this is kind of fun. Like,
yeah.
and my mom teach me this. Like,
Wait.
it goes boom, boom, clap. Kind of hard. Oh my gosh. Is that my mom?
I keep dropping it. If you know, it's too easy for me with this. I can move anywhere.
Is it easy to do this?
No, it's easy for me to do this.
I did it!
Whoever, if my
Guys, look. Ta-da!
look
It
up.
goes on my side, and yours can go to my side. Look. You see that?
Siri, tell me what the signal was up.
Hey Siri. Hey Siri.
Make that car be
Siri.
quiet.
Siri.
Siri, can you make that car? Siri?
Siri.
Siri?
Siri. Shut up, Jacob. Shut your door up. Because I'm going to put you in hell. And I'm going to call Jesus. Oh my gosh.
Wait,
You want to see? I have a portal right here. You can see, and my friend Atara have a portal herself can teleport each other's stuff to each other. Look, and you can also teleport to each other. Look. Oh my God! You hit me.
and look,
And then
I can teleport to hers.
Hello guys. You don't know my line, Chan.
Chill.
Oh my God, my father! I almost fell.
I saw the cock.
Die.
Someone push me in your side. Mom on your side, bro.
Don't push me. It's a ghost. No one can see.
Ma, there's an earthquake. I said, Ma, there's an earthquake.
Hey guys, come on, get our phones. Hey, friend.
What?
Let's go find Jesus.
Yeah, but.
Oh my God. I'm
You're
a
my
little
little
butterfly. They're from Jungrang, like saying arrow, roll, that's called like, and when the someone's calling, it goes like, I'm a little butterfly.
That's my dad.
My
My dad is so late to pick me up.
They're still fixing the tire.
You know what that means?
Sleep over.
Your dad's here, Dad.
Oh my gosh. This little cat is biting me. You know what that means? My terrain.
Oh, bro, just bro. I thought I hear a cat voice.
Hey, that was me.
Wait, but Kurt is the hacker.
Yes. But Sora's not.
Bro is pretending to be the hacker.
He's like, kids cannot be hackers. Hackers are bad.
Violet or blue.
Wait, send this to your best friend.
A, B,
Hey,
C, D, E, F.
bestie. Don't know why best friend.
Well,
Because everyone else sucks.
sus.
Sucks. And because we're best friends, that means I'll pick you up every time you fall. After I'm done laughing at you. Oh my gosh. I go back to your side with your viewers.
Via was. Call me Lucy because that's my nickname.
Call him Chance.
Call me Chance instead if you don't want to.
I'm Mario, so just call me.
Call her Muffy also. If it, that's for a second. That's weird sound I can just hear.
I hope Lulu will be absent for school today, tomorrow.
What you mean today?
Gold Kid, Pretty Princess was absent.
Anais.
Yeah, Anais is.
Also, how about Summer? What his 2 times?
I don't know.
What she
00797 is Homer, so she's 2 times.
Sometimes we call him 2 times.
And do you know who is Cool Kid?
Artemis. Artemis too.
Yes. Dad, you're in my view. Why you in? Dad, Father, why you? Come on, Dad. Move your phone here because it's right there.
No.
Father,
Fun. Dad, I'm making a video. So what? Don't be shy.
Oh my gosh. We never cry.
Queens never. Queens and kings never cry.
When baby Chester cry.
Queen never cries.
No, first second never cries.
I remember Noob cries.
So like when he cries like
For a second never cries.
He goes like and you know there's one me and Muffy also cries too. It's like it's like
And Lulu.
everybody here.
Okay? See you next time, Bo. See you at. Sometimes you go to church, Peppa. Are you not? Huh? Wait, Peppa. Sometimes you go to church.
Yes.
So on this coming Sunday, you're not going.
We went to church yesterday.
So you mean you're not going to on Monday?
Yeah.
Only the next Sunday. Okay, this is my multi-cup. Look, see how big it is? It's like 400 meters long. Oh my gosh, I have to get my viewers.
Viewers.
Why?
Why is it voting for you?
You know what? Because the vaccine is ugly. Wait!
Come on!
Beautiful. What are you doing?
I want to be ninja!
I want to chum.
Bye-bye. Call your dad to see the multi-cup. Dede, look at the multi-cup! Dede! Dede! Dede, look! Bye-bye, Sigma! Bye, Sigma! Did I call you Sigma?
Alright, I'm gonna edit this.